One of these times I'm gonna be the first one to derp.
Really? You're gonna beat me in derping? Excuse me. I am the derp monster. I'm very excited for BAP's
Hurricane that was released 3 hours ago.
Let's watch it. Okay, well, I'm gonna start it because it's taking too long. Can't wait any longer.
Had an eyebrows back.
So excited.
Wow.
Okay.
Gold.
Oh. Okay.
Yep.
This looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun. Gold outfits. They look really good.
Queens.
Pink hair.
That's like pinky purple.
Yeah.
Purple.
Yeah.
Pink and purple. Red.
I don't have a bias yet for this group.
Like the youngest.
Oh, you creeper.
Okay, I'll try and find it.
This is a dancey song. Oh, I can't dance because I have something in my ear and I'll throw my laptop.
What's up?
Like I said. You good? Okay, list it. Jill.
I feel like you need to master the whole headphones. I was doing just as much as you, and I'm like,
Okay.
you look like Baron. Him-chan. It's an interesting haircut style.
I like his
The
voice.
roof is on fire.
I'm liking his voice a lot.
He's the woo. So, what happened to that? What kind of hair?
I feel so bad for him.
I like that.
Wow. I want to see a dance version. Oh my gosh. I can't move,
Yes,
guys.
you can. You just gotta be careful.
I can't be careful. I break stuff. This is really cool.
So stop. Against the rules.
I'm
You dance off.
loving this. Wow.
Stop though. Stop.
Okay. Will you come over to my house and dance for me? All the other guys have great hair, and he's like, aw, poor guy.
I should do the curly front from Morgan.
Wow. Ah.
Him-chan's like,
That was cool. I really like that.
oh my god. That related video thing is back again. But here, give your say of the song.
I really liked it. I like that music video. I want to see a dance version right now. I also want to see it live right now, and I'm assuming I have to wait, which sucks. I love their outfits. I would like them all to come over to my house and dance for me. And yeah. The thing I change is the curly hair. Like, oh, that poor guy. All of his friends
Zello, do BAP.
look awesome. And
BAP
then
Warriors
his hair.
curl perm.
He just, I don't know, I couldn't take him seriously in the video. So, yeah, that was good. Thanks for watching, guys.